Fix old cameras. Your successful completion of the demonstrated repair ultimately depends on the quality of your tools, the condition of your camera, and most importantly, your repair ability.
Okay, here we have a Hasselblad back that when the dark slide is removed, the interlock latch sticks. If this occurs while the back is on the camera and you pull the dark slide, the camera still thinks that the dark slide is in place and a shutter will not release. This is typically a fairly easy fix. To begin with, the back plate needs to be removed. There are 9 screws. Once the back plate is lifted free, you'll be able to see the complete mechanism that controls the dark slide interlock. Inspect the interlock lever spring. Upon inspection of the interlock lever and the surrounding area, corrosion is found that has caused the interlock lever to seize up. Clean that area and file the corrosion from the interlock lever. Once the corrosion is completely filed free, smooth out the file marks with a little fine sandpaper and polish the interlock lever. Reinstall the interlock lever and check it for free and easy movement. Install the interlock spring. Install the top cover. No, not the top cover. The back plate. But before installing the back plate, make sure the shims are in place and then carefully seat the back plate. With the back plate seated, the 9 screws can be reinstalled. With the 9 screws reinstalled, a test can be run on the dark slide. As the dark slide is slid in and out, the latch should move up and down. It seems to be working properly, should work just fine on the camera. With the dark slide installed in the camera, the shutter release will not release. When the shutter release releases when the dark slide is removed. Perfect.
Thank you for watching. Inspired? Check back for new video postings.